Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show ready to try TikTok. Here's how to download and install it. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the search option. Type TikTok in the search bar. Select TikTok from the search results. Tap install and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the TikTok app. Tap Log In to create a new account or sign in with an existing one. Tap Continue with Google. Select your date of birth and tap Next. Enter your profile name and tap Create. Complete the setup and log in to your TikTok account. After signing in, start browsing videos by swiping up on the screen. TikTok is now successfully installed and ready to use on your Android device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.